Welcome to Woodworking Fever More. In today's project we're going to be doing a little bit different. As you can see on my table here, I have roots that I pulled out of the lake. Now I did this one off camera so then that way I could see if there's a potential for me to be able to do this project, if it makes sense or not. And this is the root right here. This is the root that I pulled out of a lake that with the giant dam they ended up draining about a quarter of it, and this was sticking out of the rocks. I kind of pulled them out. These are the indents here of the tree trying to grow through the rocks to be able to hold on to the soil. And they looks like they cut it off, and then the root died. And once I came by, I was able to pull it out of the rocks very easily. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this nylon grinder, put it on my drill, sand it down, and then I'm going to use this belt sander and a Milwaukee finish sander and take off all the old texture off of this. Still keep all these bumps and characteristics kind of like this, and then do some finish on it, and it's going to be my lawn art. I have a few driftwoods on my yard already. This is going to be a really amazing addition to it. If this is something you're interested in, stick by, and I'm going to try to do some art. So this is where the roots are going to live, with all the other driftwood that we picked up throughout the years of all the places that we visited, right in our front yard. And if this is something you're interested in, watching me doing one-day builds or larger builds, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next build.